Hi guys, I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel, and in this video is gonna be all about the skincare review for Skin1004, which is an award-winning hypoallergenic skincare brand in Korea. Not only that, they believe in good ingredient begins from good land. That's why they only use Centella Asiatica harvested from good agricultural and collect practices. And as you can see, I'll be reviewing 5 products right here, which is their light cleansing oil, Ampoule Foam Toning Toner, Ampoule and Soothing Cream from their Madagascar Centella line. First product we're gonna talk about, and also what we start off with our skincare routine, which is their light cleansing oil, and this has Centella Asiatica extract as well as 6 plant-based oil. This helps to melt away makeup and also residues coagulated in the skin. The texture of this oil right here is like the name it says, it's really light, and if you're new to light oil cleanser, definitely you can give it a go, because not only it really cleanses the skin nicely, it removes most of the makeup, and yet it is still very gentle on the skin, and it didn't irritate my eyes or any of my skin texture. So I really love using this for like a light makeup day. And as you can see right here, I just put a few pump on my hands and really work it in onto my palms, and then just slowly work it into my face and like melt all the makeup off. I also added a few drops of water like to really emulsify the product, and it will definitely continue to break down all the makeup and further any residue on the skin. And the next product right here is the cleanser, which is the Ampoule Foam from the Madagascar Centella line, and this contains Centella Asiatica extract, of course, sodium bicarbonate, and also antipyretics. So this consists of 30% of Centella Ampoule that helps to soothe and also balance the skin. And not only that, with natural detergent and also packed bubbles, it's an ideal pH 5 foam cleanser for moisturization after a very good facial wash. After a few weeks of testing the product out, this facial wash right here really doesn't strip the moisture out of your skin, as they say it really helps to keep the pH balance as well as really retain the moisture on your skin. And the third product I'll be sharing my review is the Toning Toner, and this contains Centella Asiatica extract, which of course helps to soothe and balance the skin. Also, it contains PHA, which is known as glucanolactone, and it is also suitable for sensitive skin as it activates the skin turnover cycle to exfoliate and help to form healthy, clear skin texture. Not only that, this toning toner also contains hyaluronic acid, which is of course a very famous ingredient that really helps to hydrate the skin, lock in moisture on the skin, and really makes the skin plump. On most days, I apply the toner directly onto my palms and then I just pat it into my skin, but I do sometimes use a cotton pad to not only tone the skin but also to remove any residue on the skin. And the next product is the famous Ampoule that is made out of 100% Centella Asiatica extract from the untouched nature of Madagascar. And if you want to know what is actually an Ampoule, so Ampoule is actually concentrated serums that are intended to target skin concern and really help to give the skin a boost. I really love this product on my skin because not only it really just helps to calm my skin, as my skin is combination skin, sometimes it gets really sensitive, especially I have like monthly breakouts, and I really feel that the combo for the toning toner and this ampoule right here really just help to calm the skin and help to maintain a healthy balanced skin. So I usually just apply 1 pump of the ampoule right here and really massage and work it onto my skin, and not only it absorbs very quickly into the skin but leaving your skin super plump. And last but not least is the soothing cream from the Madagascar Centella line, and this cream right here contains Centella Asiatica extract, a 3 inter-skin lipid concentration made out of ceramide, fatty acid, and also cholesterol, which acts like a skin barrier treatment, and it naturally absorbs deep into the skin for a robust skincare. As you can see from the texture of this soothing cream right here, it almost resembles like a lightweight gel, and this applies directly onto the skin and it really just absorbs quickly into the skin without feeling any heavy or giving any irritation to the skin. So all in all, after testing these products out for a few weeks now, I really do believe that this skincare range is really suitable for a lot of people, a lot of skin type, because it really just helps to calm the skin and just create a healthy, balanced skin. And I believe definitely that my favorite two products would be the toning toner as well as the Ampoule. I really do love this moisturizer as well, but I just love the high concentration of the Ampoule and the toner right there. So yeah guys, if you guys want to check out the Skin1004 skincare, make sure to click the link below and I will list all the details down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys need any skincare advice, you can just leave it in the comments. I will get back to you very soon. Once again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!